Hello everyone and welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Before we get started today, please don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and like my video. In Jamila's Kitchen today, we're going to be making Snicker pretzel chocolate cookies. Delicious! A combination of pretzels, peanut butter, Snickers, and more peanut butter. And as usual, below in the description is our recipe and how to make the cookies step by step. Okay everyone, so I'm starting off with my softened butter, and before I mix in the sugars, I like to make sure that the butter is soft enough before I add in the sugar. So I'm adding my brown sugar, mixing that in, and then I'm going to add in the white sugar, and then I'm going to add in the vanilla. And I'm just going to mix that for 3 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Okay, now it's time to mix in the peanut butter. And I'm just going to cream it together just until it's incorporated. Next, I'm going to add in the eggs, 1 egg at a time, mixing just until combined. And this is a really great base cookie dough to use for any type of cookies. So after using this, you can use this dough to make other cookies as well. Now that we're finished with our wet ingredients, we can't forget to put our dry ingredients. Mix the dry ingredients together before adding little by little into the dough. So I'm going to add some of the flour mixture little by little, and make sure to not turn it on high right away, kind of like what I just did, and get flour everywhere. This way you don't lose your flour, so be careful when adding your flour and put it on low speed. Okay guys, the fun part is finally here. Now we're going to add in our toppings for our cookies. So we're going to add the peanuts, the Snickers, and the pretzels. And if you want, you can also add chocolate chips. I do recommend it. In this video, I just forgot them in the fridge, so they are there. So keep watching. Okay, so now we're going to be scooping our cookie dough onto our baking sheet. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to be cooking these cookies for about 18 minutes. And I used 1/4 cup to use for my cookie dough size, but you can make them a little smaller, but these cookies are supposed to be a little bit bigger. So for your dough to cook evenly, you can flatten it out just a tad bit before baking. And I added toppings on top of my cookie dough, so it comes out so pretty with all the different toppings all mixed together. Okay, so this is what my cookie dough looks like. I chilled it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to bake it for 18 minutes, and I'm going to keep checking on it just in case. Finally, after baking for 15 minutes, my golden brown delicious cookies are finally ready to eat. They're so chocolatey and full of peanut butter. Thank you for watching Jamila's Kitchen. If you liked my video today, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook.